Bushfire emergencies have the opportunity to bring out the best of people when they feel that can serve the community. I find that a lot of the staff that we have are very motivated by the desire to help.
I'm from up here, born and bred here in the hills. My parents have a farm up in Galandapie. They managed to save the house and all the sheds, bar one. Our main focus is to get the road open as quick as possible in the safest way possible for the public use. Depending on how big an area we've got, we might have a crew of 12. We are trying to get the road open as fast as we can. There's still a lot of recovery now.
These guys all work locally, all our subcontractors are local people. This is their community, this is where they live. They all know someone that's been affected by the fires.
We've been up here with a team of 8 arborists. We're also helping out with the Shire, taking out hazard trees for them. They just haven't got the resources at the moment.
Our roads really do connect people with their life. It's our responsibility to work with those emergency services to get those roads, get that connectivity back in place to really help in community recovery.